I'm Aletha with WTI. Do you like fresh bagels? Well, I love fresh bagels as well. I like it more when they stay fresh for a long, long time. This is the Bagel Fresh container. It is an awesome product that keeps my bagels fresh for a long, long time. I love the fact that I can put my bagels in this fresh keeper and it stays fresh for at least a week. I love it. It holds 6 bagels, 6 large bagels, and it holds donuts as well. It's stackable, so I can use it to serve my bagels. I love that about it. I really love that it is an airtight container. So when I close it, it seals all the way around. It's an airtight container, so that's what allows for my bagels to stay fresh for a long time. It is really, really nice. I love the fact that it can be microwaved, it can go in the refrigerator, and it can also go in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. I also love the fact that I can freeze my bagels in this same container and take it out, and they will still be fresh. This is an awesome product. I love it. My whole family love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.